Hey, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to be making lemon turd. I'm going to show you guys 2 eggs, a lemon, and ground up. So let's get cracking.
Yes. So yeah. 2 eggs. No, 2 eggs in the pot.
2 eggs.
Yes.
What? So
Veronica, Tiny Wani wants to come in.
Yep.
Now,
here?
Yep. Oh, you might do it on the side of the pot and then, because you're separating the yolk. Oopsie daisy. Made a mess.
Where?
Or did it go in?
No, it went in.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay, we'll put the yolk in. Just the yolk. No! Oops, sorry.
Fuck's sake. That's...
The yolk, yes. Sorry.
Fuck me.
Okay, and now the 3/4 cup of sugar.
Like that?
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Put it in?
Yes. Now whisk. Whisk away.
Oh shit. Back here?
Yep.
Put it on here.
Yeah.
Cut one, eh?
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. Anything coming out?
I think so. Yep. See? Just
Yep.
very little, very fine. You want to do it now?
No, I've got you on camera.
Okay.
What element will I use?
Maybe the back one, because the back one is... Okay, yeah, oops. Okay. That on. Okay, then you've got to add the butter.
Oh, hold on a minute. The butter?
Yep.
Butter.
And then the lemon juice. And that,
Rind?
yes. So you just got to keep on whizzing that now until it gets thick.
Yeah. Not yet. Just gotta wait for the butter to melt.
Yeah. Right, too. So it's nice and thick. Oh! So nice and thick. Yep, so. Ugh.
Oops. Thank you for watching how to make lemon curd. If you guys want this recipe, the description down, the link down bottom. Subscribe, like, comment, and push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.